Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace 2004 Acura TL headlight bulb, easy method. Remove the battery negative terminal before starting to access the headlight housing. Make sure you have good lighting, the correct 9007 bulb, and a clean cloth to handle the new bulb. Work calmly and keep parts organized on a clean towel. I'll guide you through accessing the housing, removing the old bulb, and installing the replacement step by step. First, ensure the battery is disconnected and you have room to work behind the assembly. Remove the rubber dust cover and unplug the wiring harness carefully, noting how the connector aligns. Twist the bulb counterclockwise and pull it straight out without forcing it. Inspect the socket for corrosion and clean gently if needed. Keep the removed bulb and any clips together so you can reuse factory parts if undamaged during reassembly. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfortable during garage work. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy car guides you'll actually use. I've placed the product link and other deals in the description below, so check there to grab them. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Handle the new bulb by its base only and avoid touching the glass with bare fingers to prevent hot spots. Align the bulb tabs, insert it fully, and rotate clockwise until it locks into place. Reattach the wiring harness and push the rubber dust cover back on to seal the housing. Reconnect the battery negative terminal, test the headlight operation, and adjust aim if necessary. Confirm both beams function correctly before heading back out on the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.